Hello, welcome to new video. This video we study to drop button. How to create drop button. Okay. How to this is a open Excel and save any name. It's a drop and the Excel macro enable. Okay. Excel macro enable. Save and go to develop button. Visual Basic and hit insert user form. Okay, user button. Drop button. How to create drop button. One text box. Okay. Two text box. So text box drop button key. Okay. This text box click MsgBox MsgBox okay. Study to some example. Okay. Now this event. Okay. Double click. Okay. Double click on become okay. And go to this how to come drop button. Okay. Click text box here. Double click on here. Drop button. Okay. Where is this drop button? Come. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. We're checking. Okay. Not come. Double click only. This event not to come. We will go to this is a drop button create user for installation. The fast class no problem. Your time installation is drop button text box ayyo text box this is not come property or say rate only. Yes, show not come drop button see when okay. This is a create show button of rate this a description this rate okay. Now come here drop button okay. Here no, here come okay. Now checking some this drop button equal focus okay. Now this focus not come, this focus come okay. Now event drop button whenever not to come okay. Just select always open okay. This drop button how to the styles change okay. Copy shortcut style style okay. This button arrow okay. The arrow styles arrow okay. This arrow and this style elephant okay. This model okay. This style reduce this model reduce emblem. This changes is one is first okay. This model 2 this model. 3, this model. How check into 4, how to come, okay? 4 is in the node, okay? Note node 2, okay? This this model, okay? This 1, first arrow 1, okay? This is 2, I not 2, 32, not running, okay? This only this right, this, okay. This right, okay? Understand this video? Please like and share. Your like is a very increased views, okay? So please like one like only. This is show this one like only, and this new watching, please subscribe it. Thank you watching my video.